welcome to episode 4 of the Internet of Things series. And so last week we had delved into IoT enabled cloud platforms and gave you some exposure into that. But now this week we're going to go into big data and how big data relates to IoT because they're interconnected and their relationship is really important for businesses to know so they can use them in conjunction with one another to create better business processes. IoT and big data are interdependent with one another. Quite simply, IoT is a major provider of big data. According to IoT Analytics, IoT has only become mainstream since 2010. Conversely, big data began in the 1960s and 70s with the first data centers. Big data is generated by humans and encompasses massive and complex data sets that can be used to address business problems. It's how we study, analyze, and process data that's too big to be handled by traditional processing softwares. And the 4 V's of big data are volume, which is the scale of the data, variety, the different forms of data, velocity, the speed of analysis of streaming data, and veracity, the uncertainty of the data, aka the quality and availability of it. The need for big data is paramount as we're in a stage of information surplus. And approximately 2.5 quintillion bytes of data are generated every day, as noted from the company Seed Scientific. The big data systems can organize structured, unstructured, or semi-structured information and generate a report of the analyzed data. This saves businesses time and money when garnering insights into their operations and their customers' behaviors. Now enter IoT, and it acts as a major provider of big data. IoT devices are connected devices within consumer products, and that can be through sensors, cameras, chips, and so on. Real-time data is then collected. This data is then sent to big data systems to integrate, manage, and analyze it. Thus, the big data generates the actionable insights from the IoT information. And while big data and IoT work together, they can help companies reveal trends, look for correlations amongst different variables, provide new insights, drive innovation, and increase the customer experience. The future of business is data-driven, and harnessing IoT and big data is essential to remain competitive in the marketplace. Thank you for sticking around, and hopefully you enjoyed that quick little episode about big data and IoT. And next week we'll be hopping into another episode in relation to IoT, and then soon enough we'll be going to the next series related to artificial intelligence. But thank you for hanging out, and please like this video, go ahead and comment, share it, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you next week.